June 6th, 1966. I like the way that he just typed it. This one. I like this drawing. Whoa! Bro, he just ruined a perfectly drawn hand. That's fucked up. Aren't hands like really hard to draw? Is that the Batman? Are we in Arkham Asylum? Ooh, guess we are not. We are in Saint Benedict Hospital. Ooh, Kaba. That is how you know कि ये horror game है. Whoa. Okay, Lucius. Basically इस game में it's like a horror game, लेकिन I am the horror क्योंकि मैंने एक एक करके अपने family members को मारना होता है. New game. You can do chores for people and get rewarded. Long as fuck loading screen. Okay, खत्म भी हो जाओ. Damn bro. Okay, होगी. June 6th, 1972. Cold as hell. Why is it so laggy? I swear अगर ये भी मेरा लैपटॉप नहीं हैंडल कर सकता तो मुझे नहीं पता मैं कौन सी गेम खेलूँ. I should play like Minesweeper. I actually love Minesweeper. It's the best game. 4 frames per second.
It's time to blow out the candles. Remember to make a wish, honey.
Remember to say the wish out loud ताकि कभी पूरी ना हो.
Grow up fast. I bet you can remember my 6th birthday like it was yesterday.
मैं इतना जवान भी नहीं है आप.
You please clean up. Lucius can help you with the dishes. He can stay up later.
Okay, that's it. She has to die. She's making me work. ये मेरे से काम कराती है. इसकी क्या नहीं. Let me live. It's my birthday. Birthday पे chores नहीं कराते. Oh, that's so normal of me. I'm so normal. This is so normal. I am so normal. Okay, this is just a normal guy. कोई मसला नहीं है. Nothing to suspect. I think ये Lucifer है. Completely normal behavior. How dare you give me a bedtime? आपकी हिम्मत कैसे हुई? Bro, like birthday पे bedtime नहीं होना चाहिए. That's actually fucked up. Okay, I had to adjust the volume. I hope अब ठीक है. Okay, bedtime. Pick up the padlock from the table by pressing mouse button. Padlock. Damn, the sensitivity is high. उठा लिया. Mouse 1, I'm pressing it. Okay. केक किसी यार इतने ज़्यादा लोग थे किसी ने केक खाया नहीं है. Can I eat it? Oh wow, मैंने कब तोड़े हैं? Oh, what else can I break? वो आंटी फ्रीजर में है ना. एक सेकेंड. Lock the freezer by pointing at it with the padlock mouse. Okay, and where is the padlock? Oh, it's so dark. The freezer is not cold enough. Okay. Why is it so dark? Like, oh my god, bro, he looks so scary in अंधेरे में. I don't think it's supposed to be like that. Yeah, that's what you get. That's what you get for setting a bedtime. What a boss here. What a boss. That's such a sick clock. मुझे भी चाहिए ये अपने कमरे में. Nice clock, bro. Nice clock. She's fine. CPR बस माइक्रोवेव में डालो ठीक हो जाएगी. इसका माइक्रोवेव में डालो. ओके दोबारा इंट्रो ब्रो. आई जस्ट सॉ द इंट्रो. पहले वाला ज़्यादा ऑसम था. उसमें एक्सप्लोजन्स थे और फायर थी. Oh, speaking of fire, I hope that's not real. Actually, I hope that's real. Oh,
Lucius, I've come to speak to you about your call.
he looks trustworthy.
Each offering you bring me will make you big and mighty.
The offering is dead bodies.
You can influence your future and become a master over all. Oh, so much to do. So much ahead. I have some things for the birthday boy. There on the desk.
He wouldn't give me a bedtime. I trust him. Would you give me a sir? Would you give me a bedtime? It's so fucking dark. मेरा wallpaper, the teddy bears. These are some pretty normal drawings for a person like me. Let's go, torch. He got me a torch. He's such a nice person. Oh, music. Open inventory. Select an item from your inventory by pressing mouse 1.
You'll need this notebook. It will help you on your journey.
Journal. Lucifer. Oh, yes, ने सब बोला है अभी भी. I see. Use your cursor to select a name from the notebook. Select a name. Housemaid Mary. Mary is cleaning the cooler. I found a padlock on the table. This could be useful. It was very useful. Oh, it looks like ये boat चला रहे हैं, like pedal कर रहे हैं. Oh. Mary has frozen to death. Okay, that is quite the opposite conversation. Mary has frozen to death. I should get the padlock back so no one will suspect that it was me. How was it me? It couldn't have been me. कोई और भी तो किसी और के पास भी तो padlock आ सकता था. You know, there's no way. मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया. Holster your notebook by pressing mouse 2.
A flashlight.
A flashlight.
This way around at night.
Why is this talking so eerily about a fucking flashlight, yeah? A flashlight. Look, you can use it for all your devious needs. Pick up the flashlight and battery. I did.
Such a bright boy.
Thank you. Bro, I do not know how to play this game. Okay, put the batteries inside the flashlight. By pressing mouse 2 on the batteries, you can cycle through. Okay. Oh, mouse wheel. Ah, I see. So select this and then put it in this. Father, I'm not gonna lie. This is a really bad present.
It's important that you are not caught. You left the lock on the freezer door. You will need to get that padlock bushes and hide it where nobody can find it. Otherwise, they will discover.
I can just take it off and put it where I found it, nahi?
You wouldn't want that to happen.
Fine.
Go now. Get the padlock.
Bro, stop telling me what to do. It's kind of annoying. एक second, flashlight मानिस बंदे के. Whoa. What's happening? Oh. You can combine items in your inventory. Yeah, Lucifer just fucking taught me, yaar. Open map. This is such a bad map. I guess like इस बच्चे ने draw किया. No, at least बच्चे ने scale use किया. What the fuck is smiley face? Okay, I am here. मैंने जाना है उधर. Easy. बंद कैसे करते हैं? It's so dark. It is so dark. I cannot see at all. Can I turn the lights off? Would that be like suspicious? Oh, पहले से on है bro. पहले से on है. Is this where I'm going? Yes. Okay. वो दरवाजे की क्यों आवाज आई है? Like could I get caught? Oh no. Why am I scared? Like I am the one who's terrorizing these people. I should not be the one who's scared. मुझे नहीं डर लगना चाहिए. It is locked. Fuck. मैं ज़्यादा आगे आ गया. I need to. Okay. Oh, so I can run. मैं वही पूछने लगी थी. Ew. What the fuck यार? It's locked. सच्ची बताओ तो मुझे नहीं पता कहाँ जाना है मैंने. I'm like almost there. Okay, let me look at the map again. मैंने kitchen में जाना है. Kitchen. What is this question mark? Okay, let's go to the kitchen. says कि मुझे ये दरवाज़ा खोलना चाहिए लेकिन वो खुल नहीं रहा. So maybe there's like a key इधर. Oh, I have a screwdriver. Bulb. Do I have to check all these drawers? I do not know where to go. और ये 2 frames per second मेरी मदद नहीं कर रहे हैं इसलिए इस हवाले से. शायद मेरे कमरे में कुछ और. Let me see. कोई चाबी या कुछ. I look like a guy जिसके पास चाबियाँ होंगी. Oh, ball. Oh, yeah. The fuck is this? An empty water bottle. I totally did not just watch a tutorial, but apparently it's like right here. It's right here. How was I supposed to find this? How was I supposed to find this, bro? And इतना अंधेरा है. देखो tutorial देखना कोई गलत बात नहीं है. Tutorial देखना is part of it's just part of life. Okay. वो इधर एक और केक है ब्रो, इन्होंने ये लोग केक खाते नहीं, इन्होंने लिया क्यों? ऑल्सो फ्रिज में नहीं रखा, दैट्स फक्ड अप, इसको खराब हो जाएगा ऐसे बाहर पड़ा हुआ। Astaghfirullah. It's like a waste of food. A waste of cake. Even worse. This cannot be used this way. Okay. How about I use like a screwdriver? Gamer instinct कह रहा है. Oh, I was wrong. Gamer instincts की नहीं सुननी चाहिए. They're wrong. Why do I hear like a heartbeat? I do not like that at all. इसका पर्स पड़ा हुआ है. Why can't I pick it up? Oh no, that is not a purse. Those are cigarettes. This I found the kitchen. That's like a fucked up यार. उस लड़की की जगह I think मुझे केक फ्रिज में रख देना चाहिए, फ्रीजर में. Did I take it? Did I take the padlock? Please don't tell me कि मुझे चाबी भी ढूंढनी पड़ेगी इसके लिए. Wait, actually मुझे चाबी क्यों नहीं ढूंढनी पड़ी? मुझे चाबी क्यों नहीं दी? It's like a keyless padlock. Okay. I need to press Q. I found the padlock. I should put this in my pocket so no one will find it. What if आप कपड़े धोने के लिए दो और फिर वो padlock मतलब what if आप कपड़े धोने के लिए दो और फिर padlock आपकी pocket में ही रह जाए and then you get caught. So मैंने सो जाना है बस. That's it. I'm done. Ooh, तोबा खोते लेने छोड़. Telekinesis. I can move shit with my mind. Oh damn. That was a scream of terror. I wonder why. I wonder कि मेरे घर में पुलिस क्यों आई हुई है. I really do wonder.
Detective McGuffin. What do we got here?
Fucking Detective McGuffin.
It looks like a cardiac arrest. The woman
McMuffin?
collapsed in the walk-in.
Typical of women her age.
Why the woman? Actually हाँ woman ने किया. I think it was the woman.
We'll look into it, but it looks like a case of misadventure. I'd ask that you stay clear
What
of the
does that
kitchen.
mean?
Keep staff away while we
No,
talk.
yeah, you're right. It was a
Just
case of
relax.
misadventure.
Focus on getting
I
life
think
back
she
to
was
normal.
she like
Thanks, detective.
she was just too
We'll try our
curious.
best.
July 12, 1972. Smoking kills. Cutscene की बरसात हो रही है. Cutscene पर cutscene पर cutscene.
Hi, Jean. Thank goodness you're here. Things are a mess.
The press will keep out of it. I've seen to that.
Hell yeah, that means
always count
no
on you.
suspicions on
Make
me.
yourself at home while I tidy up some papers. Just ring for Alistair if you need anything.
इनके नाम कितना अजीब है. इसका नाम अहमद होना चाहिए था, उसका नाम मुस्तफ़ा. Alistair और Jean, weird ass names. Okay, Jean को मारना है. Father's colleague Jean. He visits my father sometimes for business. I hate when he smokes in the dining room. Gives me a headache. Damn, how dare he? How dare he? How actually dare him? I will be murdering him. Second-hand smoking is bad for me. He's like, he's trying to kill me. He is trying to kill me. This is self-defense. This is self. Oh my fucking god! Do I have the padlock in my hands? I need to change that. What the fuck? ये क्या है? मुझे नहीं पता ये क्या था. What is a padlock actually?